you're given, that's how we live it. Don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed. I hear a lot of people talk.
Hello everyone, hello my beautiful people. Is there one and only Lady J? If you have not subscribed, run and subscribe, my darling people. My ogbonge people, today's topic na about one guy wey just like like the thing they make me dey laugh. You know, say sometimes what you never see, you never will carry there. Oh, I first see one girl wey say she say married women wey dey complain say their husband dey jogodo with another woman, say na wetin she dey do na work. E come be like say wetin become the reason na e be like say like people no come get shame again now, like they do anything wey they like, you know. Say she wan come dey say she dey jogodo married men, say e own not be the one wey she go come say she wan born for there, because he know say many women they shame, many women they like they vex say their husband, maybe their husband wan go cheat on them, then the woman will come, the side chick will come say wan born put. You see her own not be like that. You see her own na he go just sleep with the married men, then he no go take them serious. Now let that one that she they do her own now to just jogodo with them, then you still leave them. Come they say how can a woman go just wake up say he want the jogodo with different men they go and as in I don't understand. He said no, he say her own that's what she did do am. She know they take her own, like her own not be the one way be say you can't like deal with the man, you can't take am serious. No, you know now in just the jogodo the married men they go different men. She talk and come out for video. I was like, are you kidding me right now? I watch am for somebody YouTube now say before somebody come send this one give me again when me come see today now we can't even shocktalize me pass a man. My people, man no, he say in the jogodo different women. Now that one be work. Now to just the jogodo different women, they collect 5,000, then they collect for each woman a day. In the jogodo 10 women, I was like, somebody should wake me up. This one a dream. Hey, as in, what is this word they turn into now, my people? What is this word they turn into? A man say in a graduate, he not get work. Now you can say, may you just take this one as work. So not be so not be only woman now. Now they do this thing again. Oh, say woman now only woman now be opio. Even man now consider do opio now. My people, oh, this one pass Joromi, oh. A man just wake up one morning say, now you walk where you want to do now be this one now. Like seriously? Hey, don't wey Musa no go see for gate. Oh, I dey always talk and say Musa does see. So say Musa even come tire for the matter. A man just wake up one morning say, wetin you want to do now to the jogodo different women they go. Hey, not way person no go see you, nothing. Is it na he work? Is it na wetin in like to they do now? That be say many men they do this thing. Let's say before. We dey hear am say many men they do this thing to the jogodo different women, though they collect money. You know, say that they talk at that time say na for Port Harcourt, the thing they read the app well for Port Harcourt. You see many men, though they go the jogodo all those married women because of money, you know. So I call the face maybe na joke before. And now because they read, they know say the thing now really like if this one not talking you come out now, who for know say this kind of thing they read the happen? Who for really know? Nobody for know. Nobody for know say this thing they read they happen, you know. I shocktalize when I see and say a man say he want the jogodo different now when I walk now what thing they do. So now the interview and I did not even shame, they talk am out. Say a day 10 women. My brother, what is your body? Where you fit jogodo 10 women a day? He say 5,000 in the collect. He says that if a day in the jogodo like 10 women, so it go be 50,000. Cause say this guy dey okay. You just wake up saying that this work you just like to come dey do. Now suffer head can't reach this one. Now work we not dey Nigeria, na can cause this kind thing. Wetin can dey cause this kind problem to now? Wey be say a man go just wake up say na this kind work he wan come dey do. This thing na suffer head. Now work we not dey Nigeria there. I don't understand. I don't really understand. Like the thing they shoptalize me, like the thing they surprise me. Oh God, may God help our people. May God, because this one not be work. How can a man go just find cute guy like this, just wake up saying, this guy work, now they do. So they just go to different guests they go. Hey. So your own na to put number there, people go they call you like I don't understand. Those guys when they go the jogodo now they not get boyfriend that be waiting now. And I guess we're not gonna get what they want to do with their life again. Like shame not gonna the people again I be waiting. This one a very shameful something now. If family go they watch this thing, how they go feel? How they go feel? I don't understand. I just in Europe here. Now men for they do all those things because of money. But go they jogodo different girls. They go they drink medicine. Say they want jogodo with girls so that the girls go they give them money. They give them what they need. You know. I think say maybe now those. I don't know say the thing now everywhere. Hey, my people. Not when Musa no go see for ghetto. A man the jogodo different woman, different women, all because of money. Then those ones who come pay her money. My people, how una reason this matter? This thing they go. That work when not the Nigeria, they cause all those things. Now work when not the Nigeria. Now work when not the Africa. Because what it go make a grown-up guy like this, cute guy like this, say na to the jogodo different girls they go. They don't pay her money. Now that one I be work, a graduate too. Oh God, I bet more they provide work for our youth for Nigeria, or maybe they not go they do all those kind of work. More they provide work for them because now I believe say now work when they did that Africa. Now they make them the reason all those things. You go see guy now will be graduate, you go they carry a gun, they you know, I beg. Because this one will be work. My people how una reason this matter. I beg, more see follow me reason and more. More leave on a comment because I never see this kind of thing before. A guy go just wake up saying that this kind of work you want to do my people. Like seriously? My people, I beg I need an opinion for this one. So I go put the video more see reason where they use the math they talk about itself. Thank you everybody. Take care till I come your way next time again. I remain your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you. Bye.
My name na Kelvin Akbaranta. People they call me Akbroka. I be Ashawo. I be man Ashawo. For my area, whenever they pass, now so women where they their way, we don't run things. Go they help me Akbroka. Now so the name Akbroka take come. Now one of my neighbors is Nkiru. He get one day where he come tell me say Akbroka saying the here side they knock well. He come jokingly come talk say if they pay me for this thing where they do say I for don't make better money. And so I go back house go reason that. Now I come make up my mind say I won't be Ashawo. I won't be man Ashawo. If market no go well, I fit do reach 10 women. You know, na for weekend where our business they go well. You know, most of our customers are people where they busy with their shop, women where they busy with their shop. politician wives wey dey always get, and politicians too. So na for weekend wey dey go well well. So for weekend we fit knack reach 20 people for one day. My minimum in a day na 10 people. Na when business just dey. Me, I dey charge 5,000 naira for one knack. So in a day, if I knack reach 10 people, na like 50,000 naira. You know, say get some of my colleagues wey dey charge 2,000, 3,000, depending on the time frame and depending if I use condom or if I no use. E get people who go come tell you say, you no go use condom. If you know how I use condom, na risk for my business. So you go pay me higher. It's either you pay me from 100,000 naira above, I no go use condom. But if I go use condom, the least wey I go charge you na 5,000. If na 5,000 in a day, if I knack 10 people, I go fit make at least 50,000 naira. When I dey knack, it depends. So it depends on the person. If the person sweet, I fit come at least within 2-3 hours. You know, but the problem now be say sometimes I know they come because na timely stuff. If 1 hour reach, because me I dey tey, na why they call me Akproka strong. So if 1 hour reach, if your time don't go, whether I come I no come, I go terminate your own work because other customers dey and I get target for myself on how much I wan make. But normally, if I dey knack na 5 hours. Apart from this ashawo work wey I dey do, me I go school, I be graduate, but work no dey. But I don try say make I help myself. I don learn how to design. I be professional graphic designer. I dey do digital marketing too. I fit make your business sell well. So the skill wey I get for digital marketing, I dey use am pursue customers now for my ashawo work. This knack wey I dey knack, I don knack go 5 countries. I don knack go 5 countries. I don knack. I don go Ghana. I don go South Africa. I don go Gambia. You get this woman why I knack for Gambia. The woman no gree where I go again. No, I knack am say they carry fast, dey fast. She pay for 2 hours. She come increase the pay to 2 days. So I can spend 2 days for Gambia before I come back. In the next 5 years, I want when they mention the number 1 man ashawo for Africa, may they mention Akproka. The risk plenty, but that one no mean say we no go still do the work where we dey do. You know say life risk full everything. Even you wey dey interview me, you know say this your work risk dey too. So you know mean say you no go do your job. The number 1 risk where we dey get na infection, disease. I don treat 2. E get one woman wey I go for Abuja, him call me, him give me 200k to come knack. I don't know say na ritualist. As we wan knack, him come tell me say as I wan comot my condom, so I go sell and give am for 1 million. As I no come gree, na him come comot gun, say I must give. Now I tell am say instead of that one, say I no give am. Now so I swallow the condom, say wetin go make me give am, say may I die. The woman come lock me inside the hotel, say we go do am again till I give am wetin he want. Now as him lock me comot now, as the hotel and cleaner wan come clean the room, now I come, as they open the door, now so I take run. Then the second risk wey I think say no be risk, na say the way people dey see us as bad people for society. We no be bad people. Person like me na only man I dey, na only woman I dey. I no dey do man. Na only woman wey I dey do. Me I no like man thing. My advice to people be say make they see us as normal people. You wey dey knack your girlfriend wey you know dey make money from, you go sweat, you go chop food knack, money no enter your pocket, and we wey dey knack still collect money, we better pass you. So no dey see us as bad person. Okay, thank you. Na my ashawo story be that.